In this video, I'll go over how to add your LinkedIn Learning certificate to your profile. There's basically two things you can try. The first one is to just go to LinkedIn Learning and go to sign in. And then there's a few steps. Click your profile picture in the upper right corner of your LinkedIn Learning homepage and select My Library, or select My Library on the left side of the screen. Then click Learning History under My Library. Click More, or the three dots to the right of the course title you want to add. Then select Add to Profile from the drop-down, and you won't be able to add the course if you've not completed the course. So from the confirmation pop-up window, check the Share with Network box to send an update about your course completion on LinkedIn, and then from there click Add to Profile from the confirmation pop-up window. So that's the first method. If that doesn't work for you, there is something else you can try, but if you're wondering how this works on mobile, you can see it right here. So if you use LinkedIn Learning for libraries, can you add certificates to your personal LinkedIn profile? So if you get free access to LinkedIn Learning through a library card, then this is possible, but you will need to do it differently. So click your avatar and view your profile, click Add New Profile section and choose Licenses and Certifications. Click the plus to add a new license or certification. Then under Name, copy the name of the course from the certification. Under Issuing Organization, just start typing LinkedIn and it will finish. Then the date that it was issued. The credential ID is the certificate ID from the PDF, and the credential URL is the one from the course you copied previously. So what you want to do is just get the PDF of your certificate and then go and upload that in your LinkedIn certificates. So now you know how to add a LinkedIn Learning certificate to your LinkedIn profile. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.